Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Beer&Boxes. I am Kim. If you haven't already, like and subscribe this video for future content. Today we are going to be drinking this new Belgium VooDoo Ranger Imperial IPA and also opening the Allure Beauty Box for the month of May. So, I've never tried this before. It says it's a rare blend of choice hops. It creates an explosion of fresh cut pine and citrus flavors for a complex, rich, and delicious finish. And oh, this is 9% alcohol. So this is a strong beer. I didn't realize that. This is what it looks like. It's by New Belgium. Ooh, that's good. That's nice and bitter. Kind of got like a skeleton flyer guy. All right, so this has been sitting on my counter for the last week because I haven't had any time to film, so I'm pretty like ready to open this. It's kind of hard to let something sit there for that long. So this is Allure Beauty Box. It is $15 a month, and I'll put a link in the description if you're interested in it. I think the first month that you get it, it's only $10 and you get like a welcome gift. But you always get this little pamphlet. It goes over the prices of full-size items for Allure. And then this is the bag. It's like a nice orange summery one. And I noticed they don't have any snaps on this one. It's kind of like there's like a little band that like folds into the band. So it's a little different. It's kind of cool. I did get a $60 gift card to HelloFresh. And there is something out of the bag. It's Larissa Cosmetics. I think this is a lip gloss. So we shall see what it's called. The color is Vibe. I didn't put anything on my lips so I can try it on. Oh, it's a nude. So that's Larissa. Let's try it out. Just 'cause. And this is the applicator. There's the applicator. I like the doe foot. It's got a little hole in the middle. I feel like it spreads better. Yeah, it's nice and creamy. We'll see if it like calms down with the stickiness. So this smells like frosting and I do like it. I will use this. Okay, so getting into this bag. Actually, I didn't even read about the Larissa. See how much it is. So this is $20. It's a $20 lip gloss. And it's a pinkish nude gloss. It has a 60s vibe that has like sheer and warm tones for a more modern, more flattering take on the classic Sex Kitten lip color. Alright, so jumping right in, I see this little Saint-Tropez Self-Tan Purity Natural Glowing Skin Bronzer Water. It's a face mist. I don't really use these very often, as in never, but I guess I could bring it to the beach or something, like the 4 times I go. So this is $30 for a full size, and it's a facial tanner. It goes on clear in a superfine mist that hydrates your skin, and then oh, okay, so this woman sprayed it at nighttime and then woke up with a nice natural looking tan. Okay. Sure. The next item, Laneige Moisture Cream Water Bank. This is the next item. It's a little squeezy tube. It's a moisture cream. And full size, this is $35. So you can use it in the morning under sunscreen and makeup, and at night before bed. So it helps make your skin nice and silky. Okay, next item is Allure Pacific Youth Revolution Radiance Cream and Mask. So this is what it looks like. It's like upside down. You could have gotten, I think, 4 different things from Allure Pacific, but what I got was the mask, and that is $200 full size, so it's pretty expensive. It's a mask that doesn't smell like anything. You wear it overnight, and then you have brighter skin in the morning. So yeah, that's really expensive. Oh, this is how it opens. That's kind of strange. It kind of just smells like fresh. It does have a little smell to it, but I bet you could get 1 or 2 uses out of this. But that's some fancy face mask, which I do not mind. Okay, so second to last item is this eye lights by Model & Company. It's called St. Bart's, and it's another coppery shimmer eye liquid eyeshadow. Let's see how much it is. This is $12, and I think this is full size. It's a bronzy champagne cream shadow, so it dries fast and doesn't create a crease or rub off. And it has a doe foot applicator, kind of like lip gloss. Here it is. It's very light, super light, so just like adding a highlight to your eye, really. It's not as bronzy as I thought it was. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of liquid eye shadows, and we get a lot of them, and we get a lot of them in this color with all the subscription boxes. At least I do. But I will try it. I mean, it's nice and neutral, and it's dried pretty well right now. So I will try it. And then this is interesting. This bottle of powder. Louis by Jean Co. Erase. So cleansing, exfoliating, and brightening powder. Mix a tablespoon of this with half a tablespoon of water to form a paste. And then you apply it to your face and you let it dry for a minute. And while it's still kind of damp, you massage it away, and it should come off like eraser peels. Takes your blackheads out and reduces large pores. Huh, that's kind of fun and interesting. I've never received anything like this before, so I've been like totally ignoring this beer. I forgot about it. But yeah, I've never seen anything like this before. Seems like a lot of work, and I'm pretty lazy, but I will try this. And if it works, and if it like gets my pores smaller, I'm all for it. So let's see how much that's worth. Okay, this is $15. It's made with milk powder and oats. Okay. It says it unclogs pores and renders skin as soft as a baby in a tiny velour tracksuit. Interesting. Interesting. So those were all the items that I got from this month's Allure. Sorry that I took so long to do it. I've just been really busy. I got a new job schedule. If you like this, take a look at the link that I send in the description, or put in the description, because I think Allure is like one of my favorite makeup subscription boxes or bags that I get, just because they have such cool things and such different things than all the other regular ones. So if you liked this video, make sure to like and leave a comment. Tell me what your favorite item was this month for Allure, and tell me what you think. If you've tried this beer before, tell me what you think. It is very strong. It's 9% alcohol. So yeah. But otherwise, have a great day, and I will be back soon.